Machine learning, ML, co-team badi categories mine taksim kia jada hai. 1. Supervised learning mine algorithm co-labeled data provide kia jada hai, jismi inputs aur un se mutalik correct outputs hodi hain. Algorithm in examples ka use kark patterns seek to high tak ne, unseen data par sahi predictions kar sake. Ye sabsi ziada istamal hon wala type high. Examples. 1. Classification. Emails ko, spam, ya, not spam, categorize karna. 2. Regression. Gar key price ka prediction input features J's K area, bedrooms, etc. say. Steps. 1. Input data with known labels. 2. Model training based on this labeled data. 3. Model prediction on new, unseen data. 2. Unsupervised learning is type mine data ko koi labels nahi da jate. Algorithm ko surf raw, and labeled data dia jada high, aur usay kud say patterns aur structures discover karne hod hain. Ye use hoda hay jab data k and our hidden structures ya clusters discover karni hodi hain. Examples. 1. Clustering. Customers ko unki shopping habits k mutabik groups mine divide karna. 2. Anomaly detection. Fraudulent transactions ko detect karna. Steps. 1. Input data without labels. 2. Algorithm finds hidden patterns or relationships in data. 3. Reinforcement learning mine algorithm ko kisi environment mine raka jada hai, jahan usay actions perform karna hoda hai. Har action par algorithm ko reward ya punishment milta hai, aur ye feedback use hoda hai talk future mine betar decisions la sake. Examples. 1. Robotics. A robot ko sahi tarike se chalna sikana. 2. Game AI. Chess ya video games mine AI opponent ko betar strategy sikana. Steps. 1. Agent interacts with an environment. 2. Agent receives rewards or penalties. 3. The model learns to maximize rewards by improving its actions over time. 4. Semi-supervised learning, optional, is type mine supervised aur unsupervised learning ka mix hoda hai. Algorithm ko kuch labeled data aur ziada and labeled data dia jada hai. Ye approach useful hodi hai jab labeling data mushkil ho magar kuch labeled examples available hoon. Example. 1. Classifying a large dataset with few labeled examples, like identifying a few known fraudulent transactions in a large dataset of mostly unlabeled transactions. 5. Self-supervised learning, optional, emerging field. Self-supervised learning is Tara ka technique hai jahan machine ko self-generated labels provide kiye jate hain, j's data k parts ka prediction karna. Ye deep learning mine ziada popular hai, hesse images ya natural language processing, NLP, mine. Summary. 1. Supervised learning, with labeled data. 2. Unsupervised learning, without labeled data. 3. Reinforcement learning. Learning via feedback, rewards, punishments. 4. Semi-supervised learning. Combination of labeled and unlabeled data.